This is Faces of Research from Duke, where science meets humanity. We share the stories of patients and survivors who, through innovative research and compassionate care, overcame immense healthcare challenges and are now living their lives to the fullest. These are the moments, big and small, that make research real. Born at just 23 weeks and weighing barely a pound each, twin brothers Akenji and Asanti faced overwhelming odds from their very first moments. This episode of Faces of Research shares how advanced neonatal research and care at Duke Children's Hospital gave their family something that felt impossible, a life together. Their mother, Janae, shares Akenji and Asanti's story and what it's been like watching her toddlers grow and thrive.
And at that time, I was only 22 weeks. So at this point, we were at Alamance Regional, and they did not have a level 4 NICU. So if we were to deliver them at 22 weeks, they were not equipped to handle our babies. So we were airlifted to Duke University Hospital. It's there that they were actually able to stop the progression of my labor. So the goal was just to stay pregnant as long as I could. And I did that for 11 days. 11 days later, I was laying in the bed and I just felt like a pressure in my belly. I just felt something pop. And then all I felt were two tiny little legs kicking. And I was like, oh my God, what is happening? At that point, they were 23 weeks, 5 days. Asanti weighed 1 pound, 7 ounces. Akenji weighed 1 pound, 4 ounces. And then they were rushed to the NICU straight from there. Duke Children's NICU is level 4 NICU. So they were going to be getting the highest available level of specialized care that they could possibly receive. They stayed in the NICU for 5 months. And within those 5 months, they overcame a lot of obstacles. They had holes in their heart. They each developed ROP, which is a disease of the eye. Every day we would just come, and it was like watching them grow outside of the womb, watching them get bigger, get stronger. So the day that we finally got to bring them home, it really felt like Christmas. It felt like Christmas Day. Since they've been home, they've been thriving. They've been reaching all their milestones. Their little personalities are coming out. They're taking their first steps, and they've really just defied the odds. And now we can say they have a bright future because of the care that they received at Duke Children's. Akenji and Asanti will now get to experience life. And there's so much hope now for our babies. I mean, they were once considered non-viable at 23 weeks. And now they're going to be able to do things that we were never sure they'd be able to do.
This is Faces of Research from Duke, where science meets humanity.